Hi Paul, welcome to IDS, welcome to the SprintRay booth. We're here demoing the world's best and most thought through dental 3D printing workflow. And of course we have our printers here, we have our wash units here, our curing units, all what you maybe already know for great night guards, many cool indications you can do with our product. What we are really proud of is our main IDS innovation, and this is our new crown solution. Using our new ceramic crown material, which is FDA clearance and can also be reimbursed now. And with that, you can, in less than 10 minutes, print 6 crowns. And it's just amazing. So with a very fast washing cycle, with a very fast curing cycle, in total you get to a time from scan to seating of about 45 minutes.
Wow.
And that is really making it chairside dentistry. And you get a definitive crown for that. And we are proud to present it now also here in Europe to our European customers after launching it 3 weeks ago at the Chicago Midwinter meeting. And yeah, it's just been amazing. Happy to also bring that solution to you guys. And yeah, that's all I can say.
It's called Game Changer.
It's a game changer, absolutely.